G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. It's only going to be a quick little trim and take the wire off. The wire's starting to cut in, so I need to get it off. This tree at the moment is 20 years and 3 months old. I worked on it 5 months ago. I'll add it in the description video. But yeah, I just need to get the wire off and just trim the tips off, and then that's going to be it. So let's get into it. Okay, that's all the wire off. Now it's a matter of just cutting the tips off, getting rid of these bottom dwellers. So, like I said, I'm not going wild on this. I've cut the tips off to let it expand out. It's looking a bit messy because I don't really know what I want to keep and what I don't. Like I said, the tips of a tree I always have trouble with. So I'm just sort of letting it go, and we'll see how it looks in a while. That's the front. I think that can go. That's overhanging over the other one anyway. Anyway, that's the tree now. I didn't do a lot. But that's okay. All right, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.